Hello everyone and welcome to another movie review by Centipede Geek. I've got another Shudder review for you guys. This is in the newly added section on Shudder. It's actually a much older film though. It came out in the year of 1975. Film by the name of Switchblade Sisters. Directed by a guy by the name of Jack Hill. Written by Jack Hill based on a story that he did also. It's also based, John Preiser and FX Mayer also wrote the story according to my sources. It stars people by the name of Robbie Lee, Joanne Nail, and Monica Gale. And what we have here pretty much, if I had to put a genre behind this movie, would be a provocative, violent gang drama. And it's pretty much about this new girl that moves into town, and she wants to join up with this gang. And all of a sudden, this, she starts to have a relationship with the guy, if you want to call it a relationship. The girl gets jealous. There kind of becomes a struggle for power within the gang. Other gangs become involved. They want to, and they get kind of violent with one another. I don't want to spoil too much because I feel like I've said too much, but that's pretty much the main plot, if that made any sense, of the 1975 film on Shudder by the name of Switchblade Sisters. This is a great film. Like I said, it's like an ode to being Grindhouse. It has a really cool, just kind of a cool vibe to it. There's lots of great scenes, some great actors and actresses behind it. I wouldn't call it a horror film. It's kind of a little bit unconventional being on Shudder that normally has a lot of horror films, but you do find every once in a while you do find, kind of find these provocative, very violent dramas similar to films I've seen on there. There's another film that I like a lot by the name of Miss 45, and at times, if you've seen Miss 45, at times Switchblade Sisters definitely reminded me of that. A little off topic, but that's another one to check out that has I guess you could say a very female-driven movie, and if you like these movies that put females in roles that you don't see them in a lot and don't see them in too often, at least you didn't back then, Switchblade Sisters is definitely one to check out. The plot for IMDb reads, the leader of an inner-city girl gang is challenged when a new girl moves into the neighborhood, and that's kind of how I described it. Overall, it's a great movie. It's got some really great scenes in it. There's some really cool scenes towards the end where the girl, whenever she gets jealous and they have to, she has to end up killing her, and she's the one that got her involved in the gang in the first place, and they were good friends, but turmoil and drama happens, and they end up becoming enemies, and there's a great scene, like I said at the end, where the new girl kills the other girl, and it's just a great scene right there with the shadow and the blood. It's just a really, really cool scene. She thinks they're in a relationship, but it wasn't anything like that. It was more of a sense that the leader of the gang, sexually took advantage of her, and kind of a sad case when you think about it. But either way, it's a really neat movie. Kind of struggle for power. There's some great scenes in there where there's like a shootout at a roller rink or skating rink. That's another great scene. There's another scene where she has to steal the pendants or the necklace off one of the enemy gangs, and she ends up stealing it and seducing him and takes it off him and runs off and proves everyone wrong that she did have what it took to be in the gang. And then, like I said, they start off as a gang of both men and women, but by the end of the film, it becomes an all-female gang, and they end up kicking the other girl out and acting like they never knew her. Overall, it's got some great stuff going on there. I definitely recommend it. Once again, it's on the Shudder streaming app known as Switchblade Sisters. You'll find it in the newly added section. Came out in the year of 1975. Once again, thanks for watching another video by Centipede Geek, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below.